In this workshop, I will be teaching the meditation of great bliss through pure awareness. It's the practice of knowledge of the nature of mind. It's a very strong, powerful, transformative practice, can change the way you're experiencing your life. And it's also very important that as a spiritual practice, this practice can ultimately bring you a full realization. So this workshop will be based on Dawa Gyaltsen's teaching. It's very simple, it's very personal, it's about everybody's true nature. So this is the meditation to bring a great bliss through pure awareness. And to bring that great bliss, to bring that joy, the only way is to bring the pure silence into it. The pure spaciousness of mind into it, because in that space everything is spontaneously perfected. Like joy is there, love is there, compassion is there, forgiveness is there. So this practice is meditation of great bliss through pure awareness. It's a way in which you can find bliss, find more joy, find more sense of comfort in your life through being aware, through the pure awareness. This is like charging a battery. This is like healing yourself. This is an opportunity to reconnect with yourself.